What if I told you that the secret to clear skin can be found in your morning juice routine? Get excited because we're about to reveal the top 5 ingredients you need to add to your juicer ASAP. Hi, and welcome to our latest YouTube video, where we're going to reveal the ultimate secret to achieving that glowing, radiant skin you've always dreamed of. Are you tired of trying countless skincare products that never deliver the results you want? Well, have no fear because the answer to your skin problems is right here. In this video, we're going to share with you the top 5 ingredients that you need to add to your juice for clear, healthy skin. Make sure you watch the whole video because you won't believe the amazing benefits that these ingredients can have on your skin. Let's begin with the first ingredient. Carrots. Carrots are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is a powerful antioxidant that helps prevent the formation of free radicals, which can damage skin cells. It also promotes healthy skin cell turnover, which can result in a more even skin tone and smoother texture. Carrots are also rich in vitamin C, which helps boost collagen production, giving your skin a firmer, more youthful appearance. To make a delicious carrot juice, you will need 4 medium-sized carrots, 1 apple, half an inch of ginger, and half of a lemon. Simply add all the ingredients to a juicer and blend until smooth. Our second ingredient is kale. Kale is a dark leafy green that is packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K. It is also rich in antioxidants, which protect the skin from free radical damage. Kale contains a high amount of chlorophyll, which can help detoxify the skin and improve its overall health. It also contains sulfur, which is essential for the production of collagen and keratin, 2 proteins that are essential for healthy skin, hair, and nails. To make a tasty kale juice, you will need 2 cups of kale leaves, 1 cucumber, 1 green apple, and half a lemon. You can add a second apple if the taste of kale is too strong for you. Third on our list, ginger. Ginger is a root that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It is a potent anti-inflammatory agent that can help reduce redness and inflammation in the skin. Ginger also contains antioxidants that help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. It has been found to improve blood circulation, which can result in a brighter, more radiant complexion. To make a spicy ginger juice, you will need 1 apple, half an inch of ginger, half a lemon, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Simply add all the ingredients to a juicer and serve immediately. The fourth ingredient is cucumber. Cucumber is a refreshing and hydrating ingredient that is perfect for juicing. It is a rich source of vitamin C, which helps brighten the skin and even out skin tone. Cucumber also contains silica, a mineral that is essential for the formation of collagen. Collagen is essential for maintaining skin elasticity, which can help prevent wrinkles and fine lines. For a refreshing cucumber juice, you will need 2 cucumbers, half a lemon, half an inch ginger, and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. A green apple can be added as well, but in this case, remove the sea salt. And lastly, lemon. Lemons are a citrus that is high in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. It also has antibacterial properties that can help combat acne-causing bacteria. Lemons are also a natural exfoliant, which means they can help remove dead skin cells and promote healthy skin cell turnover. Drinking lemon juice regularly can also help detoxify the liver, which can result in clearer, brighter skin. To make a tangy lemon juice, you will need 2 lemons, 1 apple, half an inch of ginger, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Simply add all the ingredients to a juicer and serve with a couple of ice cubes. Perfect for a hot, sunny day. There you have it. Top 5 ingredients you can add to your juice that can help you achieve clear, glowing skin. Do you know of any other secret ingredient? Share it with us in the comments below. And if you found this video useful, consider giving it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy ways to stay fit, lose weight, and live a happier life. Check out this next video about the top 5 superfoods you can use to give your juice a boost, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.